Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE, and today we're going to review a 2023 menu number 4 pork sausage and cream gravy. We have the main pork sausage and cream gravy, package of crackers, dehydrated granola with milk and blueberries, toaster pastry, chocolate chip, flameless ration heater, beverage-based powder tropical fruit flavor, package of cheese spread, military spoon, everybody knows we don't use this, coffee instant type 3 freeze dried, creamer non-dairy 4 grams, sugar, moist towelette, napkins, 2 pieces of gum, matches red tip. First thing we want to do is get the main heating up. Have the main in. Let's add a little water to it. About right. Give it a little mix. Set this to the side. Hopefully that'll kick off. Get the coffee going. Looks pretty good. Add the creamer. Add some hot water. And we're going to use the ForeignMRE.com spork. Set this out of the way. Let's get our tropical punch going. Check it out. Give it a quick stir. Set that over here. Let's open up the toaster pastry chocolate chip. Now check it out. I thought it would be in another package. It looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and set this cheese right on top. Let's open up the crackers. Didn't hear any hiss, but they still look good. And now the dehydrated granola with milk and berries, half a cup. It says to mix it and eat it immediately. Let's see what we have here. I guess we better get this out. Okay, so it doesn't say hot or cold water. I've got some hot water. It says 2 to 4 ounces. 2, 3, 4 ounces, that's probably good. And then it says to mix thoroughly, which I'm going to give it a shake. Okay, and I'm going to let that sit for about a minute, and then we'll try the granola. Okay, so let me go ahead and pour out the granola, and we'll see how that looks. And there's my mess. On my brand new whiteboard. Okay, I've got the main and it is very hot. Too hot to be messing with it, so let's just get the knife, open it up. right. And there's another mess. Okay, so first, let's try the granola. Looks pretty good. Definitely tastes like blueberries, but it's not very sweet. But it's okay. So let's try the sausage and cream gravy. Sausage and cream gravy, it's got like a metallic taste to it. So it's not really that great. Let's try our blueberry crackers now. And you won't believe this. This tastes like a cracker with blueberry granola spilt on it. All right, so let's do the cheese spread. And I heated it up a little bit. Let's give that a try. Cracker with cheese tastes great. Let's try the tropical punch. And it tastes good too. It's the artificial sweetener, so it's not really that sweet. All right, and then the chocolate chip looks like it has some frosting on it. Let's give that a try. The pastry tastes pretty good. Tastes like something you'd buy out of the store. Let's try the coffee. Coffee's good. I always love the type 3. So overall, the blueberry mess, aka the dehydrated granola with blueberries, I give it about a 5. The sausage with gravy, I have to give it only a 5 too. It's got that metal taste to it. Crackers, taste like regular crackers. The chocolate chip pastry, I give it a 10. Now the drink, it's not sugar, it's artificial sweetener. It's tropical punch. I give it probably about a 5. And then the coffee, I give it 10. And then the cheese spread, how can you go wrong with cheese spread? I give it a 10. And that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.